Good day guys, welcome to Trendy Road. So in today's tutorial we're looking at how to manipulate background using Pixart. We've done a video on how to manipulate background before, but today we'll be looking at mainly how to use Pixart to manipulate background. I believe a lot of persons are struggling with background manipulation, which has become a big problem. One of the selling points of your design is your background manipulation. So let's just dive into the design of today. So this app is called Pixart. If you don't have the app, you can download it from Play Store. So first we enter our tool just to try to reshape the app. Let's give him this square look. So then secondly, you go to your add photo. Go to your add photo, then you import your background as usual. Then now what you do, you crop it out. Just look at what I'm doing now. Just the essence of your cropping is to take off the part that you don't need. Then tap here, tap your erase. Now this opacity now has to do with this. Your size has to do with the size of your brush. Your opacity has to do with the visibility. Your hardness has to do with how thick it will be like. You seen? So let me just take it to 70 for a start. Then all I need to do now is to work on the edges of the picture. The brush size is too much, but let's just work with it. So now we've actually faded part. The opacity now will make it to be so obvious. Then we reduce the brush size. So we'll come here with pens. Are you seeing? Then those are good. Now all we need to do now is to increase the size, or we can rotate it. Now let's rotate it. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, we can still get it, but it will not be giving us when it is this way. So let's just leave it this way, but just look at what I'm doing. Then all we need to do now is to go to our adjust. Now you're trying to adjust now. You're trying to make the color blend with one of the background. We have two colors here. We have red and blue. So now you're trying to making it black now will be so obvious. So just try to make it to blend with one of the color. Either you go with red or go with blue. So go with hue. Then let's just try to change the color. Just pay attention to what I'm doing and just follow me as I go gradually. Okay, we've gotten the red color. So the red color is 30. So we've gotten the red color. So now let's go back again. Just pay attention. You can watch this video 2 times or more than once to actually understand this thing. Please don't pay attention to the background noise. Please just focus on what I'm doing. Then now go to your blend. You see normal screen, multiple, tap on your screen. Are you seeing that automatically it has blended? So all you need to do now is to, okay, let's do this way. Let's drop it like this. Then we duplicate it. Now your layer, you're locking it so that it will be unmovable. You tap on it, you duplicate it. Then you come to your down part. You see where the road flip. You flip it to this other side. Then you also try to drop it this other side also. Now you're trying to fix it normal, so as you look as if they are together. Are you seeing? Now what do you now do again? At this stage now, you reduce the opacity of this one. Just look at what I'm doing. Reduce the opacity a little bit so that it will blend it with the background. You can decide to reduce the opacity of this also. Are you seeing? Then now maybe if it's a worship program that worshiper will come and there will be a lot of worshiper, you can as well just try to include worshippers image by just go to your gallery, look for any of the worshippers image, people worshiping, and I have a lot of them. But at the same time, I've done video on how to download material, so you can go watch that video to know how to download material. So let's say it's a worship related program, then you crop it. Then all you need to do, go to your erase. Now erase now is just to take off the edge part of your background. Just take the edge part of your background. That's just the essence of this erase. Then increase the size. That's just the essence of this erase. Erase it. Now you do your blend. Now for the worship, don't try to change the color, just check it first how it will blend. Then you can increase your size. Then now you see that now it's not fighting with the background, so all you need to do is to adjust it. Now you're adjusting it, now you're trying to change it to a color that will suit what you're doing. That's the hue. Either you take the red or the blue. So let's try to work. Okay, the red is okay. Then now you reduce the brightness of your people worshiping. This background is fine. Reduce the brightness of people worshiping. Are you seeing? Reduce the brightness of people worshiping. Reduce the brightness of people worshiping. So you do like this, then you save it. Then from now you can just save it from here. Then you save it into your design. So you just close your job. So are you seeing? Let me zoom in so that you see. Now are you seeing the beauty of the background? Are you seeing? So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.